Hey, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make an admin panel using Basedash. So here I am in a little demo workspace we have with a few teams already built out. I'm going to start from scratch and show you the whole process. The only thing I've done up till now is connect a Postgres database. We support any kind of SQL database as well as a few APIs as well. You'll see we have a bunch of different tables in this database, including a user table with a bunch of columns here. Let's say we need to give access to our support team to be able to view and edit data from our users table. All we have to do is first of all create a team. So in this case, we're going to create a support team. And then the only thing that Basedash asks us is what data does the support team need? So in this case, we're going to go through, look at our different tables. We're going to select the user table, and maybe we want a couple other tables here, like the comments table, maybe the product table. And then all we have to do to create our entire admin panel is to click this one button, create 3 views. And then Basedash does all the hard work of actually creating the admin panel. And then you'll see we have these 3 views that Basedash created for us. Let's jump into this user view here. So you'll see automatically we get this beautiful list layout of all of our users. This is pulling straight from our actual production database. And so as soon as someone signs up for your product, they'll show up inside of Basedash. I can select one of these users and then see all the information about them. All of the columns are automatically pulled in. And this is also a 2-way sync. And so if our support team has a verification flow, let's see, I need to review this information. All I have to do is click this one button. It'll toggle their verified status, and now that's updated straight to your actual database. You'll also see we store activity history inside of Basedash. You'll see any edits that your teammates make across Basedash, which is really useful. So this is kind of the default that you get for free without doing any work. Of course, you can also customize everything about this by just clicking this edit button. So if I'm shipping something to my support team, maybe I want to change what columns they have access to within this table. I can just go in here, say visible in panel, and remove some of these. Maybe we don't want them accessing our password or certain date fields. We can just remove those. And then we can also change what shows up inside this list. So maybe we can remove verified and add something else in, like when they signed up. And that's the really easy way to build a super quick admin panel. Of course, you get everything else for free, like images showing up inline automatically. You get really powerful search functionality, no code filtering, and everything's also real-time multiplayer, which is really useful. From here, you can also expand things with even more functionality like actions, which hit APIs. You can hit third-party APIs, internal APIs, take actions that are really complex, like sending emails or changing subscriptions on Stripe. All of that's possible with Basedash in just a few minutes.